Good morning, Vanners. I'm off over to the workshop again this morning. It's a Monday morning, being rather cheeky and stealing another day out of my week when I've got a gap in work. I was over there on Saturday. It was the day before Father's Day and I managed to do a full 7-hour day there. Thanks very much to my girls for allowing me that time. Made a lot of progress, as you'll see. But I'm so addicted to these days in the workshop. I have to say I'm loving A, finding the time, B, having the space, and C, just working towards this crazy project goal that I have to convert this van. So yeah, I found a great spot, and it's just one of those things in your lifetime when everything comes together and allows something crazy to happen. So yeah, bear with me and let's see how we're progressing. Cheers.
It's a rush for nuclear weapons. Remember that Trump don't see Kim Jong-un. The constant on
Hello there, here I am in the workshop with Walt. We've finally got a roof over our heads. She's just about squeezed in through that door, the barn door that we've got at the end here. And now I've got all the space that I need to do whatever it is I'm going to end up doing with him. Starting with finishing off the roof. Did a bit of sanding on the fibre top, on the fibre last time I was here. It's going to need a lot of filler and then some painting, obviously. I've got the seats to swap over. I've got to finish the floor. I need to move that window. I've basically got a list of tasks as long as my arm, and now I've got the space to work on her. I'm rather excited about it, so I'll keep you in the loop as to my progress. Pretty much finished the wheel arches and a bit of floor. Both sides needed doing. It's rather amateur, but happy with that for now. Looks pretty good under there as well. Fitted the extended arm on the sliding door. That's now got a much smoother operation, thankfully. Needs repainting. Just playing around with the new passenger seat. It's going to be on a pedestal. I think that's going to work. I've got some cut sheet steel to bolt down to the bottom of the seat and to the floor, and I just need to position it in a way so that it works for the hump. So it needs to come down. I've got to cut through that. Yeah, interesting to see how that works. Got to just check the swivel mechanism works in place. Driver's seat next. Well, that looks pretty good. There's a swivel base in there. I'm going to bolt everything together, but the important thing is that the new seat fits, and I'm going to have an offset swivel, so hopefully as it goes round it will clear the pillar and the steering wheel. Fingers crossed, we shall see. Phew, that's me done for the day. Did a lot more angle grinding, cut out some of the panel work. I'm going to move that window forward and cut the panel work out the back because I've got a transverse bed plan, so I wanted as much width as possible. Just need to re-strengthen the side panels when I've got some metal to weld in. Started on the wheel arch with the welder that's here, which is great. Yeah, and it's time to go and pick loader up, so see you next time.